Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarah and I make videos on how to make digital products on Canva. My goal is to simplify seemingly difficult processes and to tell people out there that designing is not difficult. Of course, I'm not downplaying the effort graphic designers out there have to put in. However, the audience that I'm targeting is amateurs like me who don't know designing and either are getting into the designing world for their own personal use or for, commercial purposes. I hope I can add some value through my content in your lives. So let's get started. I have a little daughter, and it really gets difficult for me to keep her engaged. And I'm always trying to find different crafting activities that I can keep her busy with. But I'm also frugal and don't want to spend a lot of money on buying crafts, so I just take inspiration from Pinterest and then create digital printables on Canva. And in that pursuit, I found this really cute rocking cat card on Pinterest. This is by Arty Crafty Kids, and I think the idea is so genius. There wasn't a way I could print this template, so I thought, why not make it myself? And better yet, why not record it while I'm making it so you all can benefit too? So let's do this, guys. You can use it either for your kids at home or, be creative and sell these sheets on Etsy. In fact, I went on Etsy and, to look for similar sheets and found none, which means there's definitely a gap there that you can fill, make these and start selling. I'm sure these are going to sell like hotcakes. So, open Canva, make an account if you don't have one. I don't know why you would not have an account on Canva. So just click create a design and, let's go for an A4 sheet, A4, and this should be portrait. So let's go for A4 portrait. And once you have your artboard ready, let's get designing. So I searched for cat in Canva, the elements portion, and this is what the results are. And I really like this cat, and it's free, so what's better than that. So I am going to select this cat. We're gonna make it a little big. Okay, so now we're going to look for a landscape, and I want to go for a city landscape. So I'm just going to search for a city, and you can see a lot of these over here. You can go for anyone that you like. I want something that can be colored. So I decided I'd go with this city landscape instead. I want the cat to look over from a suspension bridge. So I think a city landscape would be more apt for that. So I'm gonna change it to this, black color. It seemed a little gray, so we're gonna change it to a black color. And this picture is drawing of a city high-rise landscape. And now we want a bridge. So this looks nice. Again, we're gonna change the color to black. We don't want it to be gray. And I'm going to make it a little bigger so it looks like it is near. Yeah, so, and around here. Now comes the tricky part. So I am gonna search for a circle outline and we are going to choose a circle outline. So I'm gonna go for this one, and I'm gonna make it big. This seems a little thick, so how about we choose for something that's a little thinner. Okay, this seems like a good size, but we have to adjust everything inside. So we want this to be somewhere around, you know, at half of the circle, because the circle is going to be folded. Same with the city. We're gonna bring the city a little lower. So let's select the city and let's bring it here. Yeah, this seems like a good. Now we have to crop, and we have to crop really, carefully so that we don't cut out a lot of it. So let's crop the bridge first, and I am going to remove all these, this stone part, most of it at least, and we're going to adjust it inside the circle. That's what we're aiming for, and I am going to show you how I'm going to do that. Don't worry about the bits that are extending outside. I will tell you how to fix that, but let's just crop it first. So once you've cropped it to this, now we have to make sure that none of it is outside the circle. For that, I have a trick, and we are going to go into shapes, and we are going to select this shape right here, which is banner, which is a banner. Okay, we're gonna select this shape, and we are going to you know go to border style, and we're going to select rounding. So this is around 47 percent, or whatever this is. This is 47 corner rounding, and we are going to change the color of this to white to match our background. Now we're going to place this here, and we're going to rotate it, and we're going to cover our bits that are extending outside of our drawing. Don't worry about it still showing. So we are going to lessen the rounding, and we're going to make this a little bigger, and we're going to adjust this. The other thing what we're going to do is we're going to make this go behind the behind the circle. So we're going to click show layers, and we're going to drag this behind the circle but above the city. And as you can see, it's not extending outside of the circle anymore. So if this was Photoshop, this would have been really easy to do. We could just erase it, but since we want to stick to Canva, Canva has limited options. It's not like Photoshop, but this is how we can make it work. So we're going to duplicate this same layer, and we're going to rotate it to hide the extending parts of the city landscape from the circle. Here, the same thing we're going to do with this is we're going to put it behind our circle but above the city. So for that, again, we're going to click show layers, and we're going to drag this behind the circle. So now you can see that this is the city is all behind the circle. If you want to clean it up more, you can do that. I'm going to do it in a bit. The other thing I'm going to do is the same thing with the bridge, and the bridge is simpler to do. So I'm just going to click any shape, maybe a circle. I'm gonna make it white. I'm gonna make it smaller, and I'm just going to adjust this. Let's adjust this. There you go. Let's duplicate it, and let's take it to this side as well. And there you have it. We are all sorted. There's a little bit over here, so we're gonna again duplicate this and bring it here, and it seems very seamless. There's a little bit coming extending from here, so we're gonna take this shape, and we're gonna rotate it and try to let's make it a little smaller, and this is tricky, huh? Isn't it? So we are going to try and do this, and we're going to again go to layer, show layers, and we're going to bring this behind the circle, and there you go. So we have this. I still feel the bridge could be a little lower because this is going to be halved. So let's go to show layers and adjust the bridge to come at somewhere to the half of the circle. Somewhere around here. This looks like, yeah. So again, we're gonna bring our circles down here. Gonna hide all that. Let's go to layer, show layers, and we're gonna bring this behind the circle. bring everything behind the circle. Again, we're gonna put this here, and we have it. Now there's only one thing left, and that is to duplicate this bridge and bring it over here. Yeah, now we gotta crop it. Yeah, let's crop it and make it smaller. You could totally, remove these little suspension bridge strings from away the cat's face, and you're good to go. Now, you know what, the other thing you can do is you can write instructions here, and we're gonna add fold this circle in half. We're gonna write our instructions here, make the font small, and we are going to write paste the cat after cutting it out. That's it. What's the font size? 13.6. Let's make it the same font, and there you go. You can give this a heading if you'd like. Rocking cat in the city. Rocking cat in the city. And give it a heading. And there you have it. Your rocking cat in the city is ready. All you need to do is share it, save it, download it as a PNG, but I would suggest PDF, since PDF is a great way to PDF print always gives high quality print, so download it. And yeah, if you want to sell it on Etsy. If you want to sell, if you want to do it for your kids at home, print it out, make it, print it out at home, engage your kids in this activity. And there are a lot more things that we're gonna do in this particular niche, children's activity sheets, and I will be uploading more videos. I hope you like this one. If you want me to make more of these, I will. The other thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna share this template in the description. I believe in sharing. I believe sharing is caring. So yeah, I'm not gonna charge you for this. Use it however you want. You want to customize it the way you want to do that. But yeah, like this video, comment what you liked about it, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.